Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us are curious about: how to achieve thicker and longer eyelashes naturally. We all have gone online, finding the best ways to get thicker and longer eyelashes. Most of the time, we end up finding nothing useful, but not this time. We all want those luscious lash that not only enhance our eye makeup, but also provide a shield against everyday elements like dust and debris. In this video, I'll be sharing practical tips and natural remedies to help you achieve fuller and healthier lash. Whether you're struggling with thinning lash or simply looking to enhance your lash health, this video has something for you. Let's embark on this journey together to achieve those dreamy, voluminous lash naturally. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips. Now, let's get started. What causes the eyelashes to thin and shorten? Thinning and shortening of eyelashes can occur due to a variety of factors, each impacting lash health in distinct ways. As individuals age, natural changes in hair follicle activity lead to slower lash growth and eventual thinning, similar to the aging process affecting scalp hair. Hormonal shifts, particularly during menopause when estrogen levels decline, can affect collagen production, crucial for maintaining healthy lash, potentially resulting in thinning. Genetic predispositions also play a role, as some individuals inherit thinner lash or are prone to conditions affecting hair growth. Inadequate nutrition, specifically a diet lacking essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins, can compromise overall hair health, including eyelashes. Medications used to manage thyroid imbalances or during chemotherapy for cancer treatment may unintentionally lead to lash loss as a side effect. Moreover, rough handling of lash, such as vigorous scrubbing during makeup removal, weakens hair follicles and contributes to lash breakage. Allergic reactions to eye makeup products can inflame lash follicles, causing thinning and potential loss. The use of eyelash extensions, while enhancing lash appearance temporarily, can weaken natural lash due to the chemicals in adhesive glues and prolonged attachment. Chronic stress disrupts normal hair growth cycles, including those of eyelashes, leading to increased shedding and thinning. Certain medical conditions like blepharitis, thyroid disorders, psoriasis, alopecia areata, eczema, or trichotillomania directly impact lash health and can cause thinning. Additionally, poor beauty hygiene practices, such as leaving eye makeup on overnight, can clog lash follicles and hinder airflow, contributing to lash thinning and potential inflammation. If thinning lash persists despite lifestyle adjustments, consulting a doctor or dermatologist is advised to rule out underlying medical conditions. Addressing the root causes of eyelash thinning with proactive measures can help maintain healthy, voluminous lash over time. Furthermore, choosing well-fitting spectacles can prevent constant irritation and minimize lash loss caused by ill-fitting eyewear, promoting overall lash health and comfort. Understanding and addressing these detailed factors contributing to eyelash thinning can guide individuals towards effective strategies to support lash growth and maintenance. How to prevent eyelashes from thinning? Follow a nutrient-rich diet. Ensure your diet includes iron, zinc, vitamins especially and E, essential fatty acids, biotin, and proteins. These nutrients are vital for overall hair health, including eyelashes. Daily cleansing. Cleanse your eyelashes and eyelids daily using a mild cleanser or specialized eyelid shampoo. This helps remove debris and prevents the buildup of oils that can clog lash follicles. Use high-quality eye makeup products. Avoid using low-quality or harsh eye makeup products that can cause irritation and damage to your lash. Opt for gentle, hypoallergenic formulations. Apply lash primer. Before applying any makeup around the eyes, use a lash primer containing keratin. This coats your lashes, keeping them healthy and protected from the effects of makeup. Remove makeup before bed. Always remove eye makeup before going to bed to prevent it from clogging lash follicles and causing breakage overnight. Avoid eyelash curlers and perms. Steer clear of using eyelash curlers and getting lash perms, as these can weaken and damage your lash over time. Limit use of eyelash extensions. while eyelash extensions can enhance lash appearance temporarily. Prolonged use can lead to stress on natural lash and contribute to thinning. Let's explore some natural home remedies that can help promote longer and healthier eyelashes, along with simple instructions on how to use them effectively. 1. Castor oil. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has shown potential in promoting hair growth. To use: cleanse your eyelashes thoroughly and pat them dry. Dip a cotton swab in cold-pressed castor oil and apply it along your upper and lower lash lines. Leave it on overnight and wash it off the next morning. Be cautious, as castor oil's high viscosity may cause hair matting and dryness. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its moisturizing properties. Before applying, cleanse your lash with mild soap and water. Dip a cotton swab in cold-pressed coconut oil and apply it along your lash lines. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. Be mindful, as coconut oil can leave an oily film that may weigh down lash. 3. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is excellent for nourishing hair follicles. Apply vitamin E oil directly to your lash line or combine it with other oils to create a DIY eyelash serum. Consult your doctor before taking vitamin E supplements. 4. Green tea. Green tea contains epigallocatechin 3-gallidgcg, which can promote hair growth. Drink green tea twice a day and apply cool tea topically to your lash lines using a cotton swab. 5. Massage. Gentle massaging of your eyelids can improve circulation, which may contribute to healthier lash. Consider massaging your eyelids regularly to promote lash growth. 6. Lemon peel oil. Lemon oil has shown potential in promoting hair growth. Extract lemon peel oil by placing lemon peels in a jar with olive or coconut oil overnight. Apply the mixture to your lash lines and leave it on for a couple of hours before rinsing off. 7. Vaseline petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly can moisturize eyelids and help prevent damage to lash. Apply a small amount to your eyelids overnight and rinse off in the morning. 8. Shea butter. Shea butter is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which can boost collagen and maintain lash thickness. Apply a small amount of melted shea butter to your lash before bedtime. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil contains oleuropein, which may contribute to longer lash. Apply a few drops of olive oil to your lash using a cotton swab and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. 10. Biotin supplement. Consider consulting a healthcare provider for the correct dosage of biotin supplements, which can help improve hair growth and prevent lash thinning. These natural remedies, when used regularly and in conjunction with proper cleansing and lifestyle habits, can help manage thinning eyelashes and promote longer, healthier lash. Experiment with these remedies to find what works best for you and incorporate them into your beauty routine for optimal results.